My name is Smita Singh. Right now I am doing Masters in IIT Patna from Mathematics. So in today's lecture we will study sets, its definition, how we can represent the sets and one example from the IIT JEE examination. So we will start from the basic, its definition. So basically definition of the sets is well-defined collection of objects. So first we will understand meaning of the well-defined. Okay. So we will understand through the example. So one example is that collection of even numbers. And second one is collection of favorite writers. So in class of 25 students, if you ask each student give the collection of the even numbers, everyone will be the answer same. But if you ask every student give the collection of your favorite writers, it will vary person to person. So basically here will be the same answer. So it will be our well-defined collection, while it is not our well-defined collection. So this is the basic definition of our sets. Now we will understand representation of the sets. So first form is our Brewster form. In roster form, we will present element with commas in curly bracket. So basically, if you take example, a collection of the natural number, it will be represented like this: 1, 2, 3, something like this. So this will be our the roster form. Okay. Now second form is our set builder form. In set builder form, we present element in curly bracket with its property. So basically, if you write x such that x even number, so we represent like this: x represent its element and it is its property. So collection will be like this: 2, 4, 6, 8. It is our collection of our even numbers. Second form is this. Now we will see its third form. We can also write in its open interval. In open interval, x does not contain 1 and 5, okay? And x belongs to natural number. If not contain 1 and 5, so we can write also 1 to 5. It will consist 2, 3 and 4 elements. This will be our set. If you give its equal to sign, then it will be our closed set. Okay? It's something like this: 1 to 5, and elements will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that is the condition where we can represent sets like this. Okay? Now we will see one example from the IIT JEE examination. So here are example from the IIT JEE examination. So here in this question we will understand first, we want a collection of xy such that which satisfies this condition. Okay. So basically we will start from y is equal to 1. Okay. So x square is equal to 2 power y plus 2023. So 2 power 1 plus 2023 is equal to 2025. So basically we find that here will be our two roots, plus 45 and minus 45. But we know that x belongs to natural number. So basically we will take only plus 45. So here will be solution will be x is equal to 45. So our first solution is 45 is to 1. Now we will check for and y is equal to 2, 3 and all that. Okay. Here for checking y is equal to 2, 3, 4, it will be more tough. So basically we will see the trick to solve this example. Okay. So x square is equal to 2 power y plus 2023. Here we will see for y greater than equal to 2. Okay. In this example, now 2y plus 2023. It is the form of 4k plus 3 and it is even number. If you put any number y is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, it will always give our even number. So it is the form of 4k and x square. We know that 4k plus 3 gives 4k plus 3 is something like this number. So basically we want this type of number. So this condition equal to and follow this condition. Okay. So here if you take odd number, so 1 square is equal to 1. This is the form of 4k plus 1. 3 square, it also 4k plus 1. If you continue this, it always give 4k plus 1. So in left hand side, it always give 4k plus 1. And in right side, it 4k plus 3. So it is not equal to 4k plus 3. So basically, we only find only one solution, that is 45:1. Only this solution belongs to this side. So this is our solution. Okay. Thank you. Now we will understand what is Venn diagram and what is the use in sets. Okay. So first we will understand Venn diagram. In this Venn diagram, we will take sets as a circle and we will take square as a universal set. Universal set is that collect all elements. Okay. So in this, when circle overlap, from overlapping we consider that how will be their intersection, its union, its negative and all that. Okay. So first we will understand how we can find the union of the two sets. Okay. First is A union B. Okay. Let us take A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B is equal to 5 and 6. So we know that A union B is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we will understand from its Venn diagram. Okay. This is our X, A and B. Okay. We know that it's consider A elements also and B elements also. Okay. So this is our A union B. It consists all elements. This is our A union B. Now we will understand A intersection B from Venn diagram. Okay. A intersection B. So basically, if you see from here, A intersection B will be R5. Because in A and B, in both there is no common element. So A intersection will be R5. There is no element. That is, this is empty set. Okay. So this is our A intersection B element, which is equal to 5. Okay. So this is our A union B and this is our A intersection B. Now we will understand how we can find A minus B. In A minus B, we will take 1, 2, 3, 4 and in B, we will take 3 and 4. If you find A minus B, we will exclude element of the V and we will find 1 and 2. So basically, we will understand it from Venn diagram. Okay. This is our A and this is B. And A minus B, it will be our this portion because it excludes B elements. So only this will our A minus B. Similarly, if you want to find B minus A, this will it portion because it excludes part of the A. So it will be our B minus A. Okay? Thank you.